Can you hide followers and following list on Twitter? In this video, we're going to find out exactly that. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your Twitter application and open it up. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you could tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap on it. Another menu will pop up on your screen where you have an option to go to your profile. So the first thing you can do is try to make your Twitter account private because there is no direct option that Twitter gives us to hide our following and follower list. As you can see right beside my name, there is this lock icon. That means my profile is private. So click on your profile icon right here. And as you can see here, the profile is right now private. So if you want to edit your profile, you could do it from here. Now you just need to go ahead and tap on the settings icon from here, tap on settings and support, head over to settings and privacy. The other thing that you can do here is click on privacy and safety. And then from here, you can tap on audience and tagging. Then from here on out, just make sure that these two options are turned on. So you could protect your posts. Only your current followers and people that you approve on the future will be able to see the post, and you could also do the same for your videos. If selected, videos you post or send via DMs will not be downloadable by default, and this settings applies to videos shared going forwards, and it's not retroactive. So this is the only way that you could make your profile private as of now, and that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.